Hello, my name is Victor Turta. I am the author of a scientific discovery and a global leader in the development of industrial AI. I invite you to watch a comparison between preparing a control program in the MasterCAM system and the world's first cyber technologist capable of performing the work of a neck machine specialist. At the end, I offer a description and the terms of sale for the world's first cyber technologist.
Thread with the type is M16 multiple 1.5. Okay, to starting the time we can starting to create this sketch. You can open MasterCAM 2003. After that, you can go to wireframe, select endpoint. There are any four squadron 1, 2, 3, 4. I want to create this sketch on the squadron 1. Okay, so you can, and on the parameter you can define the diameter is 32 millimeter, like the diameter of this raw material. After that, the position of the chuck jaws is okay. The groovings get already done, so we can start to roughing this sketch. Okay, after on the fit toolpath parameter, I want to use mm, this OD grouping, and this is a 3D. Okay, so the threading already done. You can see on this.
Advantages of technology and Genk program preparation for turning parts using Victor Turtis Cyber Technologist compared to MasterCAM speed of preparation. The Cyber Technologist can generate the technology and Genk program for basic turning operations tens of times faster than traditional CAM systems, including MasterCAM. Automation of technology. Unlike MasterCAM, where preparing the Genk program and technology often requires manual work by a specialist. The Cyber Technologist automatically forms the machining process based on the part's input parameters, reducing time and labor costs. Cost reduction. Fast and automated preparation of Genk programs and technology significantly lowers labor expenses and reduces machine downtime, leading to overall production cost savings. Remote access and convenience. The Cyber Technologist operates via a web browser, providing remote access and the ability to prepare Genk programs without installing specialized software, unlike MasterCAM, which requires local installation and setup. Comprehensive solution. The system not only creates the Genk program, but also prepares the machining technology, a feature uncommon in most Western CAM systems, including MasterCAM. High accuracy and compliance. The Cyber Technologist takes into account modern machining requirements, including complex operations, enabling high quality and compliance with production standards. In summary, Victor Turtis Cyber Technologist offers significantly faster preparation, cost savings, and increased efficiency compared to MasterCAM through full automation of technological preparation and ease of use via a web interface. Thank you for watching. Aicut state-of-the-art cyber technology for Genk turning. Brief description. Aicut is the world's first cyber technology capable of performing the work of a specialist for Genk turning machines. How the technology works. The user enters parameters from the drawing for each constructive technological element kit that makes up the part on the website. By pressing a button, they instantly receive the machining technology for the part, the Genk numerical control program. Calculation of machine time and batch processing cost, as well as a visualization of the machining process. Problems solved. No experience operating Genk machines is required. Reading technical drawings is sufficient. Simple and fast processing of uncomplicated parts using X files. Work from anywhere, anytime, on any device with internet access. Smartphone, tablet, PC. Unique advantages. No analogs exist today with automatic preparation of technology and Genk programs based on a scientific discovery, a limited set of TIS. The speed of preparing technology and Genk programs is tens of times higher compared to existing methods. Customer costs are reduced by hundreds of times by minimizing expenses for the technologist's workplace, software, and specialist salary. Automation level 95-100. Independent expert review. We tested the Aicut cyber technology in practice and were deeply impressed. It is capable of processing 70 of our turning parts with high quality and speed. Run Genk a commercial prospects. Potential markets. Companies using Genk turning machines from FANUC and other manufacturers across all sectors of mechanical engineering and in all countries worldwide. Target audience. All mechanical engineering enterprises interested in automating the preparation of control programs. Projected profit and market share. Expected to capture about 30-40% of the global market for Genk program preparation for Genk turning within 1-3 years, estimated at 45-60 billion. Focus is on the service market for preparing technology and Genk programs, not on selling CAM systems. Additional revenue sources possible, such as advertising following the Google model. Competitive advantages. No direct competitors with similar functionality and level of automation. Uniqueness of the technology based on a scientific discovery. Sale offer. Potential buyers are invited to independently assess the value of the project and determine the desired share for acquisition. It is recommended to carry out the transaction in stages, starting with the sale of a one share, and upon successful cooperation and mutual satisfaction, proceed to sell a larger share. The author wishes to transfer the further development of the technology to investors or partners, given the lack of support in Russia, difficulties in protecting intellectual property, and unfavorable conditions for development. Resources and demonstration materials turning cyber technology to online. Return order. Them milling, drilling, boring cyber technology online. Mill. PEP video demonstration Aicut vis Shopturn Aicut 1030 sec ves Fanuc 2030 min as Sprucum 3045 min Aicut SolidCAM biography and professional skills of Victor Turda-Born. March 23, 1955, Salavat, Republic of Bashkortostan. Education, Higher Technical Education, UFA Oil Institute, 1981 Specialty Machines and Apparatus for Petrochemical Production, Qualification, Mechanical Engineer. Work experience and achievements over 20 years in mechanical engineering, including 8 years at Impo Energia named after academicians. Korolev. Engaged in milling, machine part design, technological tooling, and NAND programming. 40 years of programming experience in more than 10 languages. Creator of the world's first expert system in 1987. In 1987, made a scientific discovery, identified a limited set of keys to synthesize or decompose a part of any complexity. In 2006, demonstrated a prototype of an intelligent chem system for mobile devices operating in a browser, recognized as a major modern discovery by Professor Bocharov. Since 2018, has been developing the world's first cyber technology capable of performing the work of a specialist in preparing and programs for NAC turning machines. The technology is now at a commercial level and ready for market launch. Personal statement, ready to consider offers from governments and investors for relocation and commercial deployment of the technology. Notes the absence of support and recognition in Russia despite many years of work. Professional skills, development of intelligent chem systems based on his own scientific discovery, deep knowledge of mechanical engineering and programming. Basic English skills, experience in correspondence using translation tools. Contact information, email, Turda Nurad.